What's up, guys? Captain Rice here. New segment, cooking with Captain Rice. Why? Because I like to cook and I can make a bomb fried rice. However, I just did this video. Literally just did it. I just made it. And I messed up the entire meal. So I'm starting over. This is a fresh start. Today we're making pork belly fried rice. 2 strips of pork belly. Bean sprouts. Green onion, and 1 egg, and of course rice. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this pork belly chopped. Just little slices like this. Doesn't need to be crazy. If you want them smaller, you can definitely make them smaller. My dogs have come to visit. They must smell the stuff I just threw away. So the reason I had to start over is while I was adding my rice, I got a smell. It was the smell of burnt meat, which in this case, where you're using pork belly, the flavor of burnt meat tends to hang out and linger. This knife is not doing as well as I hoped. That's fine. Okay, so pork belly, just like that. Just gonna mix that up real quick. Okay, so my base for the meat earlier was brown sugar, soy sauce, and a couple other things. I'm not gonna use brown sugar this time because I'm pretty sure that's what caused it to burn. Not to mention, the thing with pork fat is it burns very, very easily. So instead of using a sugar-based mixture, just going to use, this is the same bowl I used earlier. Sorry, 2 cameras, a lot of work. Gonna add our meat to our mixing bowl just to get it there and out of the way. Next ingredient we're gonna add to the mixture is bean sprouts. Hank, it's not for you. It's not. It's really not. Here's my puppy. It's not for you. It's not food for you. It's not. Good boy. Anyway, so you don't have to chop your bean sprouts. Most Asian restaurants, if you're making fried rice, do not. They just kind of throw them in the mix. I, on the other hand, am going to chop them lightly, add them to the mix, just like so. Of course, green onion. This is what you can't have. Nope. Can't have it. And I didn't even go through half of that. What the hell? Hank. No. Get your nose out of my bowl. Okay, same thing, just add to the mix. I'm just gonna fry it all together. The pork fat should work as an oil base. I might add some olive oil or something just to help it along the way. But there we have pork belly, bean sprouts, and green onion. So get you over here. Whee! To our frying pan. Like that. And me over here to the frying area. Just set this. Oh my gosh. So careful, like, be mindful. I'm like doing this with 2 cell phones. It's fun. a lot of fun. My camera's not even going to be in the right angle. I'm halfway crooked now because the mount I have for it is just not working. Okay, frying pan, medium heat, a little lower than medium so we don't burn it again. I'm going to do a little bit in the mixing bowl here. Just a drop of soy sauce, black pepper. This is not the best bet. What the hell is this? Okay, black pepper. And a little bit of salt. Just a touch. With the soy sauce, you don't need it so much. Okay, we're just gonna mix all that together. And drop it in. Just like that. And let that fry for just a few minutes. Okay, so while that is starting to cook, for our rice base, and what I mean by rice base is what browns the fried rice. So when you make fried rice, it's white because you don't have anything brown. So in a bowl about this size, nothing major, I'm going to add about this much soy sauce, just a touch. You don't need a lot of this. Bye, garlic. Hold on. Okay, minced garlic. If you have a mincer, cool. If not, buy already minced garlic. Simple as that. Alright, so soy sauce, freshly minced garlic, and then I add just a touch of regular sugar. Just give that a stir. Simple as that. And that is our mixture. Alright, now I use wood-based utensils. Why? Because it doesn't scratch the pan. And it's just all around better. So I'm gonna get this meat browned and get my rice prepared. My day-old rice. My rice is day-old. It's the secret fried rice. Alright, once your meat is cooked enough and you have it over here and not burning in any capacity, scramble your egg on the side. Do not mix it with the rest of the stuff because it also tends to ruin it. Scramble your egg in the pan directly. Once this mixes with this, it can cause it to burn a bit. That's why I'm doing it as far away from it as possible. My pork's cooked enough for my liking. Some people, if you like it crispier, you can make it crispier. I don't like super crispy meat. Okay, so once your egg is scrambled, now you can mix it with the rest. Now, the fun part. So, trick, because I use day-old rice, that's the secret to any fried rice. Day-old rice. I put it in a bag. The reason I put it in a bag is to kind of help get it mixed up, because when rice is cold, it likes to be clumpy. Alright, so got our rice in there. So what I do is I just like to push it down a little flat first, let it start to get warm. Just like that, got better rice. And in my mixture here, I did add some black pepper. And you just gonna add that over your rice. You don't need to add all of it right now. You'll add most of it though, depending on how much you made. If you're like me and didn't make a whole lot, then probably good. Okay, now mix everything together. Like this. Rice doesn't take a lot to heat back up, so once it's all mixed back together. See, you got a little white clumps here. If you just mix them in, it'll kind of get that color to them. Now, I just made this up. I didn't use any sort of recipe, so we'll call it Filipino style pork fried rice. Pork belly fried rice. I'm Filipino. But that's that. Simple, quick, easy. Did this in about 15 minutes. Got your greens. Got bean sprouts in there. I can't even see them though. Where'd they go? I cut them up so they're mixing with the rice. Like I said, if you want more color, add more sauce. Otherwise, that's how you make pork belly fried rice. Peas, day-old rice, cheap pork belly because the 7 slices that I got were $6. Soy sauce, you need soy sauce. Yeah. So, yeah, make this at home. Try it. Give it a shot. If you like this content, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And, yeah. And the like button. Do that too. Okay?